Hey there, industrial pros. Tired of fighting tough tank sludge? Let's talk about a game changer, AQUAQUICK 2000. When it comes to tank cleaning, safety, efficiency, and environmental responsibility are crucial. Whether you're dealing with heavy hydrocarbon sludge, fuel residue, or chemical buildup, you need something that works fast, protects your tanks, and supports your crew. AQUAQUICK 2000 is your total solution. Specially formulated for industrial tank cleaning, AQUAQUICK 2000 breaks down hydrocarbons at the molecular level. It transforms thick sludge into a flowable, flushable liquid without damaging internal coatings, linings, or metal. In this demonstration, I'll show you how AQUAQUICK 2000 is used in a professional tank cleaning operation. From dilution and application to sludge breakdown and rinse out, every step is safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Watch how the sludge begins to soften after application, how pressure and heat combine with AQUAQUICK 2000's emulsifying power, and how even thick, settled waste is lifted and removed without harsh chemicals, fumes, or corrosion. Whether you use a Butterworth tank sprinkler, pressure jetting, or manual entry through the manhole, AQUAQUICK 2000 adapts to your workflow. It can be diluted from 1:15 to 1:25 depending on the level of contamination, and it works even better with warm water or elevated tank temperatures. Safe for coatings, friendly to the environment, powerful against sludge. AQUAQUICK 2000, your trusted partner in professional tank cleaning. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.